So I do want to say one other thing about a project. And I should have given this to you. We haven't made the formal announcement, but we got involved in an amazing project with a British boy. His name is Joe Whale. He's known as Doodle Boy. And boy, does he doodle. He's got this amazing ability to sketch and draw. And he's got all kinds of notoriety already at such a young age. In fact, I think he was Nike came to him and put him into his work into a commercial. We loved what he was creating. Again, an artist at 13. Excuse me. And we're building with him these characters that from his creations, we've taken them, we've put them into 3D, we've embellished them, we've built worlds around them. I think I have the opportunity with Joe to make the next Pixar type movie off of these characters. It's gonna launch as a Web3. Brian, it is so amazing. We're gonna be making this official announcement in a few weeks. His work is spectacular. What we've done with it is incredible. I can see plush toys coming from them, collectibles coming from them. And I'm not saying this from a money grab standpoint. It just has got that kind of branding opportunity. Mm-hmm. And there's such story opportunity around these characters. I can't wait for this to come out. I think it's going to be one of the biggest projects that we do at Orange Comet. And all off of the mind and the work of a wonderful 13-year-old artist.
And that can only be fully realized in a Web3 scenario.
Absolutely.
Really.
He would, and that's where Web3 offers
last Web2, or they'd change the message.
He would never be able to, it'd be so rare for him to get a break. They take full control of the work. That's the wonderful part of Web3. That's the wonderful opportunity. Here's a 13-year-old artist doing amazing work, now coming into this space, and basically, along with us, working in partnership to create something wonderful and have full control of it.
Yeah, I've seen his stuff. It looks incredible, and I know, you've got some drops coming up with him.
I'm going to send you some stuff.
Yeah.
You're going to call me back and go, man, you're right. This is massive.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.